Hello friends, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Wisdomizer. This is Pritam Bhansali. Today I am going to give you the in-depth knowledge about TOGAF certifications. I am going to explain you what is TOGAF, what are the different types of certifications are available in TOGAF and how to achieve those certifications. So without making any delay, let's start. So TOGAF. So our first question is, what is TOGAF? TOGAF stands for the Open Group Architecture Framework. So the TOGAF was developed in the starting of 1995 by the Open Group, and it is mainly based on the United States Department of Defense Technical Architecture Framework for Information Technology, or TAFIM, and Capgemini's Integrated Architecture Framework, that is IAF. So these are the logos of both those companies. And after that, TOGAF claims that it is used by 80% of all top 50 global companies and 60% of Fortune 500 companies. And TOGAF is actually used for enterprise architecture today, which provides the approach for designing, planning, implementing and governing the architecture for enterprise applications. So mainly TOGAF is based on 4 pillars. So what are those 4 pillars? First pillar is business architecture. So in this business architecture, the architect needs to understand the overall business for which he is going to design the application. In this business architecture, he needs to understand the business strategies, requirements for the business and key business processes on which he is going to create the architecture of that particular application. The second pillar is data architecture. Under this, architect needs to understand the whole data related architecture like logical and physical data assets, associated data management resources, overall view of the data and how the database will get designed based on this business requirements. So all these things architect needs to discuss with the important stakeholders, and he needs to do the decision making. And the third pillar of the architectural domain is application architecture. Under this application architecture, architect needs to design what are the different design patterns and what will be the overall architecture for that particular application, so that after deployment or in the future the application can run seamlessly. The fourth pillar of architecture domain is technical architecture. Under this technical architecture, architect has to think in perspective of infrastructural requirement for this application. He needs to think about the hardware, software and network infrastructure in this particular technological architecture. So all these 4 things are very important when we talk about the architectural perspective, when we talk about the architecture domains or TOGAF, because TOGAF is designed on the basis of these 4 pillars. So this was the basic overview of TOGAF, and you might have got the basic understanding of the TOGAF. And let us jump on to the website and deep dive into certifications. So opengroup.org/TOGAF, this is the website to get certifications in TOGAF. So once you reach this website, you can click here on certifications tab, and under this tab there are so many other certifications are available, but right now our main focus is TOGAF. So let's click on TOGAF certification. So after landing on this page, you can just scroll down and try to visit each link one by one so that you will have the better understanding. So let's first click on individual certification. In this individual certification, here this important diagram they have mentioned, and here in this diagram you will be able to understand how you will get ultimately TOGAF certified. So there are 2 different stages of certification. First one is TOGAF Part 1 exam. Once you pass that exam, you will get TOGAF 9 foundation certification, and after that you need to appear for TOGAF Part 2 exam. After passing that exam, you will get the final TOGAF certification, and there is also facility to appear for those exam in combine, and then finally directly you can get the final certification. Like this arrow shows the same thing. So this is what the diagram is all about. And if you scroll down, here you will see all the instructions related part 1, part 2 and part 1, part 2 in combine. So this these details are very important, so I recommend you to read all these details very much carefully. Now the pending things are how to get certified in TOGAF, what are the different requirements to get certification in TOGAF, and exactly what is the fees for these certifications. So these all details we are going to cover in the second part of this video, which I will be coming up very soon. Before that, I would just like to make one request. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Thanks a lot.